How to switch back to iMessage from text message on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can switch back to iMessage from text message on iPhone. So let's get started. So there are two different color schemes that represent text message and iMessage. The green one is text message, whereas a blue one is iMessage. So for starters, head over to settings. Search for messages settings. You can head over to messages settings from your settings. Simply scroll down, head over to apps section, search for message, and there we go. Now right there you should find your iMessage. Make sure that this button is toggled on. Now if you want a manual control over switching from iMessage to text message or vice versa, there is no actual way that you can do it. There is no such feature. The only thing that you can actually do is play with your Wi-Fi. So whenever you do not have Wi-Fi, it goes back to text message, whereas when you have Wi-Fi, your messages will go as iMessage. So all you need to do is make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and wait for this section to just change to iMessage instead of text message. After it changes into that, you can simply send your message. Now mine is not working right now because of the region I am in. So yeah, for you it should work just fine. Make sure that your settings is turned on for iMessage. And that is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.